Welcome home. Unbelievable Windsor Model boasting a 2-story foyer with grand entry staircase and Juliet balcony, overlooking the soaring 2-story family room with a cozy fireplace and plenty of picture windows to view the private yard. Decorative crown, shadow, and chair molding throughout, hardwood flooring, upgraded conservatory with French doors currently used as a 5th bedroom, 1st floor full bath, and more. A gourmet updated eat-in kitchen with a spacious center island, butler's pantry, stainless steel appliances, apron sink, sliders to the deck, and more. The master suite is fit for a king and queen, complete with vaulted ceilings, sitting room, 2 custom walk-in closets, relax in the luxurious spa bath boasting custom cabinetry, separate stall shower, his and hers sinks, granite countertops, ampersand jacuzzi tub. Huge bedrooms with spacious closets and plush carpeting. Prepare to be impressed by the unbelievable finished basement complete with a received room, wet bar, home theater, exercise room with sauna, full bath with rain shower, and true walkout to the paver patio. Other upgrades include Anderson windows with custom window treatments, 3-zone heat and air conditioning, water treatment system, extra wide driveway lined with Belgian block, great schools with excellent ratings, easy commuting to New York City or Philadelphia, 5 minutes to exit 8 on the New Jersey Turnpike, and Route 130, freehold shopping.